Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Editorial, and I'm going to make this episode very, very interesting, I promise you. The topic I have in hand is about those tweets that Rihanna and Greta Thunberg had tweeted against India or for the farmers protest. That's my topic, but that's not what I want to discuss with you because that's already been discussed in my channel. What I want to talk to you today is what is image? What exactly is image? And can a few tweets spoil a country's image? And more so, how are you going to tackle those tweets which are not so pro your country or that is harming the image of your country? How is a country supposed to tackle it? These are the three questions we'll ask, and we'll get into the bottom of this concept called image. Let's get right into the show. So let's talk about this company called Damn Cool Refrigerator. Assuming there is a company called Damn Cool Refrigerators. Big company, sells lot of refrigerators. Okay. Now what happens one fine morning, some person tweets, a damn fine refrigerator, damn cool refrigerator, bad refrigerator, doesn't cool well and all that. Very bad refrigerator, very bad color. I went and saw it, I didn't like it. Bad refrigerator. Okay. What happens? The tweet goes viral, lot of people see it. Achha. Now, an employee of Damn Cool Refrigerator, a very loyal employee, at least he claims to be loyal, he wants to show the management that he's a loyal employee of Damn Cool Refrigerator, does another tweet. He says, you foolish customer, you know what refrigerator is? तुम्हारे 7 पुश्तों में कोई रेफ्रिजरेटर यूज किया है? What are you talking about refrigerator, you fool? He tweets it. Okay. Now the question is, think about it. Which tweet harmed the brand image of Damn Cool Refrigerator more? The tweet that was done by that customer or whoever saying that the refrigerator is not good, or the tweet that was done by that employee of Damn Cool Refrigerator where he called that customer a fool? Which tweet harmed the brand more? I'm sure you know the answer. Now, let us go to what happened in the case of this lady called Rihanna, who's a very, very famous Hollywood singer, one of the richest artists in the world, very popular lady. And this young little girl called Greta Thunberg, who is a Swedish citizen, 18-year-old teenager. Rihanna wrote a tweet where she said, why aren't we talking about this? And she said, #farmers protest. That was her tweet. Greta Thunberg said that we stand in solidarity with the farmers protest in India. Again, there was a #farmers protest. And she attached some Twitter toolkit and all of that, which talks about the protest and whatever. Now, right after this, there was also another tweet from Kamala Harris's niece, Meena Harris, where she writes, it's no coincidence that the world's oldest democracy was attacked not even a month ago, and as we speak, the most populous democracy is under assault. This is related. We all should be outraged by India's internet shutdown and parliamentary violence against the farmers' protest. This was written by Meena Harris, Kamala Harris, Vice President of America's niece. Okay. These tweets went out. It definitely was not good for our image, no doubt about it. And the way our people thought we should handle is by saying, there was we too also have a actress. Her name is Kangana Ranaut. She says no one is talking about it because they are not farmers, they are terrorists. You are trying to divide India. Who? Rahana. Who? Greta Thunberg. Who? Meena Harris. They are trying to divide India so that China can take over our vulnerable, broken nation and make it Chinese colony, much like USA. Sit down, you fool. We are not selling our nation like you dummies. This was our answer. Customer writes, damn cool refrigerator not good. The person working in damn cool refrigerator says, you fool. मालूम है क्या रेफ्रिजरेटर क्या है? Compare these two cases. Lot of other people also wrote. Sachin Tendulkar wrote. Shikhar Dhawan wrote. Akshay Kumar wrote. But ठीक है, they were not condescending enough. They didn't abuse. Thank God for it. But ठीक है, they too wrote. You see, what happens is when we talk about image of our country within India, the core rider or the core trigger point of building image within India is emotion. It is our country, our motherland. It is emotion. It is about love. It is about mother. It is about the tricolor. It is about emotion. But when we talk about imagery of India to a foreigner, there is no emotion. It is professional. We build our image through like a professional builds a brand, like any other brand, like Godrej build its brand, like Tata's build its brands, like General Motors build its brand, like Facebook builds its brand, like Google build its brand. We build our brand as a nation, and that is done by professional minds. And these professional minds are called diplomats. Right from early age of their lives, they are trained to talk for their country, to represent their country, to build the image of the country, to lobby for their country, to establish the narrative of their country in the world. They are trained, and they are the people who are supposed to do all this. Not that somebody said something about our country and somebody said, hey, you fool, what nonsense. That harms our country more than what all these people said together. Now, a few months back, there was a similar protest in United States. The protest was called Black Lives Matter. This protest concerned citizens, celebrities included of India, had tweeted against it. Had tweeted, saying that what's wrong with you? Black Lives Matter, hashtag. अच्छा तभी कुछ नहीं था. तभी did you find one single person from United States, one single celebrity from United States writing saying that we are together and we stand together and we are there together and all that? Did you find one person who writes and who did a counter tweet? The reason is because the first thing a brand needs to be is secure. A tweet or two does not tarnish our image. Unfortunately, the way we handled this was harming us more than helping us. Now, like I said, today we will talk on imagery. Another subject that I want to talk about is how does one view imagery? You see, normally imagery is the result of your action. So in brand language, when we build image for a brand, we say we act in a certain way so that the image is built of that particular brand in that way. For instance, Coke normally does not use children in their ads. Normally they don't. Once upon a time, the brand Nike would only use black people in their ads. They were building a certain image. They were building a certain image. So normally the way it is done is your action builds an image. So image is the result of your action. Sometimes we get that all wrong. Sometimes action becomes the result of an image. We create an image first and then we say, अभी act कैसा करने का इसके accordingly. And that is the biggest management flaw that mostly a lot of brands do. Image पहला बनता है and then you become a victim of your own image. I will tell you what I am talking about. Once I build an image which I say I am 56 inch ki chhati, I am the strong man of this country. It becomes very difficult for me to then listen to others or even concede and say, "Hi, yaar, I may be wrong." Because my image is such, no, that I am the 56 inches, Baba. मैं कभी wrong हो ही नहीं सकता, मैं कभी झुक ही नहीं सकता, मैं कभी सुन ही नहीं सकता. I am the 56 inches. I know it all. I am always right. I am me. Image. The reason I talk about it is not for anything else. The reason I'm talking about is somewhere down the line, as a country, we are getting ourselves caged. And that is very dangerous for us. That is very dangerous for us. Our country is getting caged in an image of being insecure, of being a bunch of people who can't take criticism, intolerant. You talk anything against Bob, you talk anything against my country, I'll telling you, you fool, you are. This image is very, very dangerous and bad for us in the long run. Because anything happens to our country, happens in our country, people are going to link that activity with the image that we are now spreading, that we are now making for ourselves. Because end of the day, everything that goes out of our country adds or deducts from the image of our country. Least we forget that. Like always, before I end my editorial, I would say, if you like the editorial, please subscribe to our channel. Please share this editorial. And if you can, join our community. Till I see you next time. Namaskar.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.